Today we are cooking a ratatouille, which is a vegetable stew, and I'm using seasonal vegetables. We're using eggplant, we're using pepper, we're using zucchini, and some herbs. And it's just been cooked with tomato. It's a very easy dish, it's very nutritious and tasty. The thing we do, we're going to start off with the vegetables that take longer to cook. The cooktops are on, it's got olive oil in there, and we're going to start with the eggplant. Alright, so what I want you to do is basically slice the eggplant. And please be careful because the knives are really sharp. Okay, so you slice it lengthways and then across. Okay, if you put that into the pan. Okay, the next thing we do is we're going to slice the onion. The onion going to the pan as well. Okay, you can hear the pan sizzling, so give it a stir. Okay, with the garlic, you can do two things. You can either chop it, or you can smash it. Either way is fine. So throw that in the pan as well, and keep stirring. Okay, you can see that the eggplant is becoming coloured. If anyone wants more oil, there's more oil here. Okay, now we do the pepper. In half. Get rid of seeds into the tray. And same thing, I'm just chopping it up into little squares. More oil, the oil here. So add that, another stir. And now we do the red pepper. Okay, finally, I put the zucchini, same thing. Take the end off. Okay, now we can add a bit of salt and pepper, just a bit of a shake. Now give it a good stir and let it cook for 5 minutes. Okay, if you want to open your pan of tomatoes, so just break up the tomatoes with a spoon. Okay, when the pepper has got slightly salty, it must have a bit of crunch to it rather than cooking it too much. So I think it's better to have a bit of crunch. Take your oregano and strip it off the stem. And just take your knife and run it through the leaves. Okay, so that's cooking already cooked. And put the beans in. So the beans have been washed and rinsed. Okay, give it a good stir. Add a little bit more salt and pepper. Sprinkle the oregano on top. One more stir. There you go. It's all done. How easy is that?